Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and isolating the logger. Run npm iWinston at latest and create a logger. JS file. In that file, import Winston and define a base logger with level and format so behavior is predictable. Once done, export the logger and replace console usage in one module to validate output. Make sure to pick Common JS or ESM for the entire project to avoid import issues. This first step reduces blast radius and proves logging works before scaling up. Now you configure transports and formats to capture useful data. Add console for dev and file for persistent logs. Assign levels like debug for console and info for files. Use format. Combine with timestamp and JSON for structured logs or print when you need readable output. Once configured, test by logging objects, errors, and request ID to ensure serialization is correct. Make sure to consider log rotation and size limits in production to prevent disk exhaustion. Finish by replacing scattered console calls with the shared logger and standardizing metadata like service, request ID, and environment. You want to log errors with logger. Error, message, stack, stack, so systems can parse both fields. Once integrated, run your app under dev and prod configs to validate levels and destinations. If logs disappear, check that the logger level permits the message, transports are attached. And node, env-based overrides aren't silencing output. Adjust levels or attach a console transport for immediate debugging.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.